You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing slang terms and vocabulary many people struggle with. Make sure to stay tuned loads to learn on this channel. Weirdo is how it's said in British English. Weirdo. Weirdo. Now in American English it's said usually more as weirdo. Weirdo. It's easy, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support, it helps a lot, thank you. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.